The dawn bird wakes before sunrise. She stretches in preens as the waves touch the shore. Then she starts her patrol over the little jewel of land she calls her home. A fantasy world of bubbles and corridors, ferns and mandalas, chimes and rich sounds, emanating balance and peace, lightness, fluidity, and flow. She flies back and forth, climbs and descends. This is her life, a loop full of bubbles and beauty, a place she knows well and has found her security. Born in the mind of an artist, he knew she was what was missing, so he gently dropped her into his creation. When he saw her take off, he smiled and said, "Fly with effortless grace, kindness and song, dawn bird, how you brighten each day. And now even in my dreams, I will see your wide wings, almost flapping in slow motion as you soar above me."